Hi guys, my name is Frisbee Nicholls and welcome to the third part of
Injustice Gods Among Us. I got it right again.
You did. You did get it right again, right.
I've improved.
You have improved. Right, okay, right. So, let's go on to this. This, as you know if you've been watching the previous episodes of Injustice, that the person I'm doing this with is...
DizzyAirplane, or Diz, as you said in the first one.
Diz. Hello, Diz.
Hello.
Right, press start.
I knew that. Aww.
Right, okay, we're back. We just had a little technical difficulty. The first thing.
Superman.
No, you said I can be in.
Okay. I'll just...
Solomon Grundy.
Solomon Grundy. Okay.
Solomon Grundy.
What?
Solomon Grundy.
What? We're both in the same thing.
Yeah, but you got a different skin.
What did you click on?
Normal.
Oh.
You're gonna wear a hat.
I don't want to wear a hat. I don't like hats. Hats are racist to me.
But what? Hats can't be racist to you.
Yes, they can.
Look, what?
One never fat on my
What's your hat? Look at your hat.
That's a nice hat, that is.
That's not, no, that's your hat. Look. Ready?
Oh, so
look.
Oh.
And you got a tie.
Hello, you. Solomon Grundy. Oh, okay.
That's rude.
Solomon Grundy.
It never gets anywhere.
Yeah.
Solomon Grundy.
How do you do that? I forgot how you did that. No.
I'm not dumb. I have played this game.
Oh.
Solomon Grundy.
Here you're coming.
Come on.
That worked.
You can't just stay there all day.
How do you actually do that?
I'm not telling you. It's just damage worthy.
Oh wow, lag.
Solomon Grundy.
How do you do it?
Thank you.
Ha ha ha.
You gotta be used to Anakin Skywalker.
I don't know how I did that.
Solomon Grundy. It's just his voice.
Eat that.
Solomon Grundy. That was just a bunch of blah blah blah. Hello, you.
No. Oh,
You gotta be kidding me.
That's quite vicious.
And then that.
Oh jeez.
I did that in school today. I admit it.
Did what?
I
Cushy.
Solomon Grundy.
Rude.
Haha, get ready. No, I'm scared now. Mom!
Oh no, it didn't work. What?
Oh, you
yeah,
got
yes,
it.
it
You
did.
did it the last possible second. That bit's just a lot of barbed wire in it.
Whoa.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
That's just rude.
Well, that was unexpected. No.
I threw the moon at you.
I've never heard anyone say that.
Solomon Grundy.
Oh my god, stop saying Solomon Grundy.
Solomon Grundy.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Solomon Grundy wins.
Which one? Me. Yay.
Solomon Grundy. That's actually how he speaks at school. He sounds like Scooby-Doo.
Stop.
Just select a new fighter. Why would you poke the mic in my eye? That's not normal. I think you have problems.
What? Why?
I'm gonna sneeze soon.
Oh.
Aries.
Oh no.
You didn't. No, I'm scared now. After the shooting through the boob in the last in the first episode, the shooting through the boob, she should only have one.
Oh yeah. I think that was Deathstroke.
Stop poking me in the eye.
Begin.
That's
I
just
only
me.
have one eye. I'm gonna try and make him pop. I'm gonna end up like a horse at the end of it.
Just stop.
Horses are some of them anyway. Don't do not challenge my logic.
That's just rude.
Aries. Solomon Aries.
You lead me over here because that's where you think the transition is. It isn't.
Nope. Just leave me over here, then I can do. Solomon Grundy. Oh no, you didn't. Gotcha.
Oh yes, I did.
What?
Tree on you.
What?
That's just rude.
Solomon Grundy.
What?
I'm expecting him to say, or she to go, Wonder Woman!
That's just rude.
What's your name? Aries. James Aries.
That's just,
Get rid.
no. Stop.
Solomon Aries. Right, if you do that one more time, I'm just leaving. I'll go back home to China. The cats and dogs in China!
No. Not the cats. Oh, this is a close fight.
Close enough as my mama will say.
Oh.
Shall we do Winner Stays On?
Yeah, let's do Winner Stays On. Ooh, jumping party! Alright, I need a poo!
Oh my
I don't
god.
care.
Well, guess what? I do.
Oh, lol.
I think I'm so cool when I'm about to do it. And then I just miss it, it's just like
No.
life over.
No!
You! I'm sorry. No!
Yes!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
Oh yeah, you're dead.
No.
You are so dead.
No, no, no,
Yes,
no,
yes.
no!
Oh, that land. Neck. Winner Stays On.
You're no match for an Amazon.
You're no match for an Amazon.
That was a bit late.
Oh yeah, I've unlocked some new items.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares!
Why?
Oh,
You've reached
I
level.
like her.
No, you don't.
It's okay.
No one cares. No, press.
Hey, jolly well days, honey.
Yeah.
Headbutt.
That poked you in the eye yourself.
Yes, it is. I'm leaving. Bye, people.
What?
You can follow me on Instagram, Kyle Woodward Official. Oh no, it's not. Is
It's
it?
Eleanor official.
Eleanor Official. Eleanor
I'm gonna-
Blunder.
I'm gonna have to edit that out now.
Yeah.
You said your name. You...
Just follow. I'm leaving. Bye. See you later. See you in the next video. Yes, whoever is.
Winner Stays On.
Bye.
Flash.
Winner Stays
Wonder
On.
Woman.
I'm still here. That's the annoying thing. I just took my headset off.
I don't see how that would help. Because now I'm just gonna kill you.
I really need to put these back on quickly, don't I?
Yep.
They're on. Right, let's carry on.
Yay. That's always a good sign. No.
You don't like my hook.
No.
That's me. Naughty. Frisbee.
Wow.
We both just fell off. Like, eh.
Hey, you know what I'm gonna do?
You're gonna die. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna die. Why do we have to play in this Oh my god. I may as well quit.
Stop. Rude. No. No. It was in slow motion. I caught you.
How can it be in slow motion if he's like lightning?
And it was in slow motion for everyone. But me. No, everyone but you. Oh no. Stop it.
It's
No.
Kiss me if you can. Wow. No. Oh.
rude. You stop that, please.
Now, mate, I'm jumping.
No!
Hold. I'm holding you, Kyle. Eleanor.
See, you said it again.
It's hard not to.
Well, then don't say your name.
I know.
You say Eleanor.
I'm Eleanor.
You didn't even touch me. Haha.
Yes. Sure.
No!
Sure we know.
No!
Sorry. Yes, your streak is over.
Right, you have to do the flash again.
No, that's okay. Oh, cheater! Game's over. It's not funny. Idea wasn't meant to be funny.
Blur.
Blur again.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, blah. Shut up and read that.
It is.
Cars.
Cars?
Yes.
You should call me Fraz.
I think I know why.
Why, what?
No, it's plugged in properly.
Right, can you hear this?
Ow. Yep.
Wow.
Okay, now we can actually carry on. Okay, who are you being?
Lex Luthor.
That's what I mean.
The Flash.
Well then, Mr. Nicholls.
Okay, yeah. You can call me that.
You're going down!
No, I'm sorry to say, but you are. Ow!
Exactly, it hurts, doesn't it?
Not really. In case you didn't know, he just went. Yeah. He just twisted it round.
I think it's
my
your
front.
walkie.
Wait,
You
wait.
can do- Solomon Grundy. What's the Flash's real name? Barry.
Barry Allen.
Come on, Barry.
Or Wally West, depending on what version it is. No!
I'm just
You
gonna-
shall be mine. Stop.
Oh,
I don't like you.
cheeky Billy.
You did it again!
Solomon Grundy.
That was as bad as Halo Man.
Halo. Who's Halo man?
You should know.
Oh, Big J.
Yeah, Big J.
I'm Big K, you're Big B.
Yeah,
And-
okay. I'm gonna edit that out
Why?
because I don't want Big B.
I'm just gonna be a Big K. I'm just may as well sit back and relax.
I'm jumping, bro.
Don't go. Oh my god. I need to see. I'm just gonna sit back. I'm not even playing now.
Oh, yay. Please say you're playing.
Lex Luthor wins.
I didn't even get down to a quarter health.
Flat Stanley, be my aid.
It's Splat Stan.
Rudy,
Oh, sorry.
call a meeting of the board.
Wow.
Project Source.
Project
And
Source.
arrange pickup of the suit.
I want to pick up a sword. Right here. Lex Luthor's the boss. Da, da, da,
He's
da,
a
da,
cheater
da.
though, 'cause he's not even in that suit. Come on, Splat San. Did I get it right?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so speckle. Just like you.
But what?
Nothing.
Lex Luthor.
Oh. Wait, Billy, if you look at it from here,
You
doesn't
did
that
it
look
again.
Like, doesn't that look like a face?
Where?
Bane, doesn't it look like a face?
He is a face.
No, like his chest.
No.
Look, they're the eyes.
You do realize this is a touchscreen computer, right? Look. Wait. No.
Oh.
No, it doesn't.
Lex Luthor.
Lucky Luther.
Well, have some of your own
Lex
board.
Luthor.
Oh, okay.
Go on, Atlantis.
No.
No. Don't you dare go on when I taught you. Go on.
Which one is? The Insurgency. Oh no, that's the one with the helicopter.
You know what I mean, don't you?
Yeah, I do, sadly.
Why is it sad?
Begin.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, Mom.
It's not your mum's fault.
Never wanted to go to school with this douche. Why did I just turn around? What did I ever do to turn around? Hi, in your base!
That's just rude.
I Aha, get wrecked.
Aha, get wrecked.
Oh my god.
Stop!
Sorry. Oh my god.
Oh no, that's the wrong way. Stop it!
Oh my god.
Eat that, bro.
Look at how much health you've got on your shield.
Wow.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I win. Oh wow.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
You ain't got nothing on me, bro.
Actually, I have.
Actually, no, watch. Okay, yeah.
That's gotta hurt. I'm gonna finish you off the punch. Just, yeah.
Wins.
I actually give up. I just do.
Oh, that's rude.
Rudy, it's done. Call a meeting of the board.
What
Project
was
source.
that?
And arrange pickup.
Nah. Just sitting there like.
Slat spam!
It's Splatstone.
I said slat spam. One spanner.
Lex Luthor.
Spanner.
Bane.
Well, you know where we're going?
No. Oh, it's only when.
We can't wait, man.
Solomon Grundy!
Why? Just why?
Fine, now do a different one.
That never happened.
Begin.
Oh, get wrecked, son!
Stop.
I just don't want to sit. I didn't want to go on that way. I knew what you were going to do.
But by the way, the thing's on that side. Rude.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, Mom.
Come over here.
No!
Okay, I'll come over you then. That's just rude. I blocked that!
No, you didn't!
Well, then you will die.
Well, I'm sorry.
Oh, for God's sake! I really thought you got over that.
Yeah, but guess what? Do I tell you a joke?
No.
It's funny. It really is. Do I tell you?
Go on.
Solomon Grundy!
Oh, wow. I'll let you do the transition, alright?
Oh, okay. That's just...
You think I will? Of course I won't.
Duh, it's good going, isn't it, that?
Not really. I'm still getting you down. Ooh,
Yeah, well, guess what?
Another Lex Luthor success.
No!
No,
How did he break his back? though?
Exactly.
How is he going to break his back? He's got a metal suit on.
Nobody does.
Actually, I do. Yes. Yes!
I hit them off your head!
Ow. You've knocked them now. Hold on. Hold on. We'll cut this out of the video. Well done. Right, there we go. Right.
Your
Okay, we're
hair's like
back.
Mount Everest.
My headphones are slipping. Oh God!
It's all on shambles.
This is going to be cut out of the video.
I thought so.
God! You made them big. No, the wrong way.
You're keeping this in the video.
No.
Don't worry, guys. If this getting edited tonight, then I'm not going to be his friend.
It's getting edited out, I'm afraid.
Well, I'll know it isn't.
We're back!
No, we're not. It was never gone.
Yes, we were.
Oh, sorry.
That's just rude.
Luthor wins.
Lex Luthor is so far the best. Solomon Grundy.
It's done. Call a meeting of the board.
Wrong!
Project source. And arrange pickup of
What I was going to say is, what are you doing, son?
Wait, what? Oh, wrong one.
What are you doing? No! Stop it! Stop it!
Ah,
Daddy, no! Let me go on a picnic. No.
stop!
Let me picnic with my friends.
Right, okay, there we go. Right. Ah! Oh, for God's sake.
Splat, stop! Ah. I threw him in my own face. Oh no!
Can I stop being Lex Luthor now?
Yes.
Superman. Batman. Superman.
My name is
Solomon Grundy!
I was actually going to say Green Arrow.
Well, poop.
This is my channel now. You can't say poop. It's a
You
swear
just
word
said
in a
it.
child's
You
dictionary.
just said it.
In child's dictionary, it's a swear word.
Poop.
You know what? We're going on to Jeremy Kyle now.
Begin.
Wait. Honey said, I chose Green Arrow! Did you saw me? Oh my god. This is
This is staying in the video though.
it is. It can
Please
be.
reconnect controller.
I'm trying! Oh my god. Thank you.
Please don't throw that at my face.
Whoa.
I said please
Oh,
don't.
get wrecked, son. I tried having a go online earlier and it just wasn't very good. I just got defeated. I played ranked. What idiot plays ranked?
You, I suppose.
Oh god.
Ah!
Oh god damn. Oh.
Oh, the phone's ringing. Ow!
Oh, I like that car. I do. That's my car.
Over here.
Leave. Come so far. I shot you into a car. Let's raise my
No.
cart.
No!
Oh my god, I blocked it.
Why would you do that to someone?
Because your name is Wayne. Bruce.
No, it's not.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Well, you know what my mum always said to me?
What?
Transition for transition.
When was that?
10 years ago. She never has any self-belief.
Try again.
No.
I was jumping,
You're
bruh.
jumping. I'm just going to sit down and cry. Oh my god, I've done something I didn't want to. Oh my god, something just hit. Oh
that?
my god.
No!
I have been doing training, and it obviously hasn't paid off. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then.
Superman wins.
That nearly went to my mouth. Superman! Oh. No, we haven't sung in a while.
Vicious woman, walking down the street. Vicious woman, nothing left to eat. Vicious woman, staring at her feet. There are no more lyrics to this song.
So let's show. Oh.
I don't remember singing that bit.
Normal life.
Oh, there. What's my name? Frisbee. There we go.
Frisbee big. Frisbee big nipples. Sorry. You're keeping that frisbee big nipples in the video.
Yes, I am. Apparently. Okay. Ah! Stop being creepy. You have to be Superman. Shall we stop doing the winner stays
Green
on?
Arrow.
Yep, I'm being Green Arrow.
Green Arrow.
But you could. Atlantis.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, found a spaz point. I'm gonna.
No! You did it again. Wait, can people actually hear me? Yes, I can. Okay. There we go.
I can't hear myself.
Oh.
Wait! Yes, I can. Oh, there I am. Who's who? I'm here. Oh, okay. Bit rude.
This one's for you.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Why?
Check this out.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
I hate it when they do that. They just jump. Oh, you kidding me?
Check this out.
Nah.
Nah, nah. The big nipples stop. Oh my god, I may as well just stand still.
Why did you do that?
Ready, aim.
Oh well, that's not fun.
No.
Vicious woman, walking down the street. Vicious woman, nothing left to eat. Vicious woman, staring at the feet that I know of. Lyrics to this song,
Bing,
you
doesn't
are
it?
going to your feet. Oh no, you didn't.
Here it comes.
You don't
Ready,
can't
aim.
keep doing that.
This one's for you.
Arrow for arrow. Oh my god!
Oh yeah.
No!
Heads up.
Uh-huh. Heads up.
This
Oh well, that's just unfortunate.
Say cheese.
No! You're not getting anywhere near me.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
No! Okay, there we go. Yeah! No!
that doesn't actually do any damage.
Green arrow wins.
Maybe it
Do the
does.
same.
Time for the grand finale.
Told you. He has got a bit of a few grazes on him though, hasn't he?
I don't care. I wouldn't call that a graze. I'd call that a nearly death skin.
Yeah, I suppose.
Oh my god, yeah, that's actually getting it. Not eat it. I dare you to. Take a bite of it.
It's wet now. Did you just burp on it?
We're keeping that in the video.
Okay.
Nightwing.
Oh my god.
Green arrow.
You call me a little child. Right, Atlantis.
No.
Atlantis. You made a big mistake.
No, this isn't the place.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it
I'll
isn't.
bet you a tenner it is.
No, because it might be.
I know it is.
Begin.
That's just rude.
Same tactic as last time.
This one's for you.
Wow. No, I can't jump high enough. What was that?
Cheese.
Well, that's just rude.
Let's just run away quickly. Oh, there we go.
Are you gonna do the transition? Emma? We're just doing. Oh no.
Oh my god, I'm gonna crit. Oh my god.
Oh, you did. Okay, it is. Okay.
Tenner?
No, I didn't agree on that.
Right, everyone watching, he shook on it.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Pretty sure he did.
No, I didn't.
That was pretty cool.
You stop that.
Oh, so there's International Doodle Day.
Is it?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Deserve that.
You deserve that.
You deserve that.
Rude.
Ready, aim.
Hours of Minecraft has paid off. This game is just button mashing, isn't it, really? I was lied down. Oh.
That doesn't make any difference. Ooh.
Stab through the heart with a sword. No, you didn't. 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 No. Yes! I know fit.
Time for the grand finale.
Yeah, we need to stop recording right now.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Let me do it! Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And peace. I'm DizzyAirplane. Follow me on Instagram, Eleanor Official. This is Frisbee Nicholls. Don't follow him because he's a turd. Okay, there we go.
Thanks. Bye.